What is it about the divine feminine, the divine mother goddess, that really pulls us, really makes us so attracted to her that we are always so eager to worship her in her various forms? That was the question that I had in my mind today. And when I talked to the mother, I wanted to know exactly what is it, what is the primal need inside us that makes us all humans really want to worship the divine feminine, really connect to the divine feminine, worship her, think about her, call on her. Why is it that we do it? So, when I was talking to her, what I understood from her was that what we all want at a deep level is love. And it is the mother who can give us this pure and complete love. Sometimes our biological mothers have not understood us, sometimes they have not loved us, sometimes they have not taken care of us, but it is the divine feminine, the mother supreme, the goddess, who is always taking care of us, always loving us. And it is this need in us. We may be very successful financially, we may be very successful on the other levels, we may have a lot of fame, a lot of name, a lot of friend circles, but somewhere there is a love that we seek, and this love in its total unconditionality is something that we may miss in the human level. And because we cannot get this unconditional love from the human level, from anyone around us, not even our biological mothers, it is why we go to the divine feminine, because our soul knows and understands the divine unconditional love, and it is what that we are seeking through lifetimes after lifetime, seeking the divine unconditional love. And it is this divine unconditional love with no judgments, with no conditionings, with no reply that we have to give to her. We don't have to do anything for her. She loves us unconditionally, and we feel it. Every day, every moment, we can feel it that there is someone who's there for us. And who is it? This is the divine feminine mother, goddess. And that is why it is so important to us that we worship her. That is why we feel so pulled towards her. And it is this beautiful emotion within us which really attracts us to the divine feminine goddess. And so I wish you all a very deep, unconditional love from the Divine Mother. May she bless every aspect of your life with love and blessings.